Hey there friends, I'm super excited to introduce you to the Close to My Heart September to October 2020 new catalog. There are so many beautiful products in here, brand new products that I want to share with you. I'm just going to flip through this catalog really quickly to show you the new collections. First up we have Bloom with Grace. It's a beautiful fall collection with gorgeous kind of fall hues: sangria, desert rose, canary, which is my favorite yellow, fern, espresso, toffee, and French vanilla. There are sunflowers, there's really cute boots, cacti, pumpkins. It's a gorgeous fall collection. And I have this scrapbooking stamp. Can't wait to show it to you. There's also the workshop kits, which make creating layouts super easy to put together, and a card kit. Next up we have the holiday collection, Comfort and Joy. This one has some beautiful colors that you can see up there, but it also has some amazing illustrations and hand lettering, which I just love. This is such a beautiful stamp. I'm going to share that with you too. Here's some kits and the card kit as well. Then we have the beautiful mix-ins, which I always love. Especially look at these layouts that they're showing you here. Those are super inspiring. I love the teal and green and neutral hues there. Then we have some new My Acrylic stamps. This one I have, and it's absolutely beautiful. There's some fun animals here. And I'm super excited about this one, the Halloween stamp that I received. Halloween is my absolute favorite, so I'm super excited to create with that. So lots of fun new things. These are really cool. These creativity and motion cards that actually, when you pull them, they move. So those are really fun. This is a really fun bright stack too. Some of my favorite patterns in here. I love this. I received this thin cut as well. I'll show you that. And it is super gorgeous. So there's this catalog, and there's also the brand new core products catalog, which I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but it is completely packed, you guys, with some amazing new goodies, some awesome things like silver foil paper and gold foil paper, wood grain paper. So let me just show you what I have here on my desk. Okay, first off, we're going to check out the Bloom with Grace collection. There's some really great usable patterns in here. Really pretty stripe with the solid, beautiful plum sangria color on the background. This plaid with a sunflower on the background. There's a sticker sheet that has some really great things for creating layouts, like this big shine word, these flowers, just really nice. And then we have some wood shapes. So here you have some leaves, arrows, hearts, and then a smile wood veneer word. Here is the scrapbooking stamp. Turn it over so you can see it. So there's a big boot with sunflowers, bloom with grace, kind of a paint mark, stand tall and find the sun, which is really nice. And there's some little hearts and leaves around here too. So it's a great stamp. Then we have the coordinating cardstock, which I always love. This cardstock is such beautiful quality. It is so nice and smooth, which I really appreciate. It makes it really easy to work with, to stamp on. So look at these colors, aren't they so pretty? You get 2 of each in this set. So that is Bloom with Grace. Let's take a look at the new Christmas collection, Comfort and Joy. Didn't have my other light on there. Don't know what happened. Kind of forgot. Okay, Comfort and Joy. Let's take a look at this one. Wow, that stamp is so gorgeous. So let's take a look at the papers first. Again, some great patterns here. It's red with some holly on the background. Some nice green with a really subtle stripe. Plaid with poinsettias. And the sticker sheet, which is gorgeous and foiled. I just love it. I love the joy. I love home for the holidays. I definitely can't wait to create with that one. We also have, what is this? Super exciting. This is gold glitter die cuts. So you can see from the back here, you have Merry Christmas, stars, little dots, trees, bows, all sorts of little things to add some sparkle to your pages. And then we have the Scrapbooking Stamp, which is my favorite. I just love this. The most wonderful time of the year. That would make a great card, not only on a scrapbook layout, but you could make a card with that easily. These poinsettias are beautiful too. Let's take a look at the coordinating cardstock. So you have some really nice neutrals here, which are always appreciated. There's your cardstock here. There you go. And that is Comfort and Joy. So let's take a look at those mix-ins that I showed you before. Love these colors, the teal, the greens, and the neutrals. So you have, oh, I love that pattern. This one is so pretty too. Beautiful green, really hand-painted kind of plaid, stripe, and this black with a dot. Love those. We also have the mix-in coordinating solid cardstocks. So you get one of each of these. But look at these beautiful colors. I'm just loving those. Aren't those gorgeous? Really excited about the mix-ins, and I'm always excited about them because not only can they help you bulk out your collections, but you can create with them on their own. Okay, next up we have Lovely. So this is from the Core Products catalog. So you'll find this in there and everything else I'm sharing with you in the Core Products catalog. It's a great catalog to get to just sit down with a cup of coffee and get some inspiration. This is a sticker sheet. Look how pretty that is. So kind of like, it reminds me of an English garden. Love it. Love the colors. Super soft and lovely. There's that kind of craft color with a floral. The sweet hearts with a fern on the back. This green kind of leaf pattern with a floral. Yellow plaid with a watercolor floral on the back. Pink dot with a beautiful stripe. And then I love this pattern, so pretty. And then some butterflies on the back. So that is Lovely. And then you have the Lovely coordinating cardstock. So let me show you these colors. Love this blue. And there's your kind of craft color, your green. I know my friends who are close to my heart consultants will know exactly the names of all of these colors, but the great thing about each of the catalogs is that they list all the coordinating colors for you. So you don't have to second guess. Aren't those beautiful? Okay, so that is lovely. Let's put that aside and let's get into party mode. This is party time. How fun is this? Presents, big titles, banners, phrases and words down here. There's balloons. Oh, I love the pink balloons. There's a grid with pink polka dots, bright and fun stars with birthday candles, stripes with dots, presents and birthday hats, and like a warmer hued and a cooler hued, and then streamers with happy birthday and celebrate. Love those. Let's take a look at the coordinating cardstock on these. This is great for any kind of party, really, any kind of celebration, and you could definitely make some awesome cards with it too. So orange, look at these bright colors. How fun are these? Yellow, teal, trying to fan them out. There's so many different colors here. Teal, pink, light pink, and sapphire. Now I do know the name for the navy because it's my favorite navy of all time. I just love it. How awesome are those colors? Okay, so that's party time, you guys. And next up, we have this awesome wood grain. So if you need a neutral with a lot of texture, wood grain is the way to go. And Close to My Heart has made it easy for us with these gorgeous wood grain patterns. Take a look at these. So some of them are warmer, some of them are cooler, some of them may have a reddish tint or a greenish tint, some of them look whitewashed. That's the great thing about these. This one's really rough and textural. This one's not as textural, it's kind of painted. Look at that awesome pattern. So fun. This is very woodsy, really dark. Oh, it's almost black, that one. I love wood grains, so I'm super excited about all of these. So that is the wood grain paper pack. Next up, silver foil. If you guys like foil, you're gonna wanna get a set of each of these. And I love silver and gold both equally. I wear them both. I buy them both in my paper crafting. I think there's a place for both. So we have a big stripe. We have stars, hearts, leaves, a plaid, and a big polka dot. Wow, those are really cool. Let's take a look at the gold. So for the gold, we have this really fun geometric pattern, a dot. Oh, that's a little, I don't know what you call that, maybe a quatrefoil. It's really pretty. I love it. Stripe. Ooh, like a cheetah print almost. And a floral. And I love that the two different packs have different patterns. That's really fun. So let me show you a few of the things that I mentioned before that I received from Close to My Heart, either from the September-October catalog or the Core Products catalog. So this, the jack-o'-lantern faces, was in the September-October catalog, and these are so stinking cute. So you have a big pumpkin, and then you can put different faces in, which I just love, and then you have Trick or Treat here. So simple, easy way to add an embellishment to your layout or card, or just use this to create a standalone card. Love that. So that's jack-o'-lantern faces. The other stamp I received was textured leaves, which I think is just beautiful. Take a look at that. So they're like kind of skeleton leaves, and I bet if you just stamp these in different colors, they would be super pretty. Or if you wanted to do something a bit spookier, you can stamp them in black using an embossing powder would also be beautiful with these. I love them. So those are the textured leaves. I am really excited about these, and I showed you these from the September-October catalog. Let me just take them out so you can see. So it's 4 different thin cuts to layer together to create a floral background. So I cannot wait to try this out. You can see those here. They would make a gorgeous card, and then all you have to do is add a sentiment to the top. Super easy and simple, and I love that Close to My Heart always thinks of these things for us. Thanks so much for watching me unbox all of the brand new Close to My Heart products that I received, both from the September-October 2020 catalog and from the Core Products catalog, which lasts all year, shows all the new colors, and just has loads of inspiration. Be sure to check out the link in my video notes to see all of the new products that I shared with you today, to find a Close to My Heart consultant, and to be sure that you order both of these inspiring catalogs that not only show you product, but give you so much inspiration in terms of what you can create with them. I hope you guys enjoy the new Close to My Heart goodies as much as I do, and I can't wait to share with you what I create with them. So be sure you subscribe to see. Thanks so much for watching, and happy creating.